Hi! In this video, I will show you the Tomarket airdrop listing date price. You have in your list. So for the scheduled date, it's set to take airdrop or take place on September 30. And this date marks a significant milestone for the Tomarket as it aims to reward early adopters and community members. The initial price of the Tomarket token will be around $0.001. However, this rate here will actually soon rise in value once users continue to use this. For the airdrop details, the total supply of this one is around 500 billion, with the total 350 billion tomato tokens distribution, and it will be distributed through airdrop. This distribution strategy is designed to foster community engagement and attract users. So to participate, you need to be eligible. You need to meet specific criteria like holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency or completing tasks. For the registration, you need to register on the Tomarket platform and join their official challenge like Telegram or Discord. And after the airdrop date, you will be able to receive tokens directly or through an exchange where they can trade tomato. So that's all we need to know about the Tomarket airdrop listing dates and price. Hope you helped.